what you're doing and listen.
Hey Sunnies, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be building a dance studio. So if you don't know, which you probably don't, me and JJ dance competitively together at our studio. So today we are going to be inspired by that and we are going to build a dance studio. So let's get started. Okay, Sunny, so we finished building the dance studio and we're going to give you guys a little tour. So let's get into it. So you walk in, you have the parking lot, this little area where you can drive your car in. This is my car, it's reserved parking, only for me. And then we have some parking slots, and then I changed the doors to sliding doors because I thought they were cooler. And then you have registration. Yes, I am. And you have registration, and it's a fee of $50. Because dance is actually pretty expensive. So, yeah. And then you have the waiting room where parents can sit and wait or just sit and do stuff. And then we have the dancer's den, which has a TV, a projector, and a mini fridge, and some shelves, some benches, some coat, some bag hangers, and a clock. And then you walk into Studio A. This is the biggest studio, I believe, and it has a radio and some ballet bars because ballet is very important. And then you walk upstairs and you have the teacher's lounge where you can get all your moods up. This can get your fun, your energy, your food, your coffee, clock, hygiene, and some more like fun and stuff. And then we have the bathrooms. This is the boys' bathroom. And then we have the girls' bathroom. And then you have Studio B. This is this is another dance studio. This is like a smaller one. Maybe this will be for like smaller classes or anything like that. And then you have air conditioner. And yeah, that's our dance studio. So, yeah. Sunnies, we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And we hope you enjoyed our studio space because we really love dancing and we wanted to share that with you guys. Also, we really want to thank It's Cats, which is her YouTube channel. You should go subscribe. She made our intro. Like, we literally met her on Instagram and she made our intro like right on the spot. And she helped us a lot. So we wanted to thank her and give her credit for the intro, which is very important. So thank you to It's Cats. I'll put her YouTube channel in the link in the description. Also, we would love to get a shout out to our friend Nadia. Recently we had a little makeup party with our friends and we promised her we would give her a shout out in the next video, which is this. And of course it's about dance, so we all love dancing. So we really wanted to give her a shout out because that's what we promised and we like to keep our promises. So on that note, we hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment anything you want because we will definitely reply. And yeah, hope to see you guys in the next video. So, bye!